Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, YouTube Captioning with AccuCap, I'm going to show you how easy it is to caption live YouTube events using AccuCap. Setting up YouTube captioning through Eclipse AccuCap is incredibly easy. In order to output to YouTube captioning, you do have to have an output format enabled. If I go to my user settings and to the real-time tab, you see that right now I don't have an output format available. I'm going to click Add, and I'm going to select YouTube captioning from the drop-down list. For the COM device, this setting isn't actually used for YouTube captioning at all, and so I like to set it to None to prevent any COM port errors from coming up. The only other setting that's necessary to adjust for YouTube captioning is the URL header information. In this box, you're going to copy and paste the YouTube ingestion URL that you're provided by the host of the live stream event. They should email this to you ahead of time so that you can have it ready. Right now, I do have a live stream going. I have this sample event going on right now, and if I look here in the closed caption section, there is a caption ingestion URL. I can click copy and then email this to anybody that I need to. So whoever is hosting your YouTube live stream event, this is the information that they'll need to get to you, this captions ingestion URL. Once you have this information, then you're ready to input this into your settings in Eclipse. I'm going to hit copy to copy it, and I'll go back to Eclipse, and I can paste that URL into my URL header box and simply press OK. That's all of the setup that's required for YouTube captioning. You simply have to have the output format itself set to YouTube captioning and copy and paste the correct URL header information from the captions ingestion URL section of the live streamer's YouTube event. So whoever is hosting the live stream event will have to provide that information to you. Once you have this information in here and you've pressed OK, the settings are ready to go. All you need to do is to connect to the audio or video stream that they're going to provide you to listen or view to write your captions on. And according to the delay settings in the YouTube live event, your captions will come up. Because all of this is handled in the YouTube side, there's not a whole lot that you as the captioner can do to control the speed or delay of the settings. It's all handled by the host of the live stream session. So all you need to do is call the number that they provide to you, or log on to the URL that they provide to you to view or listen to the event that you're going to be captioning. Once you have all of the information that you need and you're connected and ready to caption, you can simply start a real-time file. I'll hit the instant real-time button. I'll choose to start from the last stroke. And you see that I'm writing right now. And if I go to my YouTube event, I have my live stream set up for a 30-second delay. And so after about 30 seconds, the captions will begin to show up. And so now you see the captions are coming up in the live stream video. And depending on the delay that's set up and the source of the audio and video that you're using, the captions should line up with the audio. And again, the delay, however, is controlled by the YouTube live host. So if the captions are too delayed, they'll need to adjust the delay setting within the YouTube live settings. However, as the captioner, all you need to worry about is writing within Eclipse. You don't need to do anything special once you've begun your real-time file. As long as your settings have been set up with the correct ingestion URL in your YouTube captioning output format, then your captions will continue going to the YouTube video. And you can see they're still coming up fine on my little live sample here. And anyone who's viewing this video will be able to see my captions. When you're done writing, you don't need to do anything special to end the session. You can simply close out of the file and stop translation like you normally would. And all of your captions have been sent to the stream. Unlike with traditional closed captioning, there are no modems, cables, baud rates, or COM ports to worry about. With YouTube captioning, it's very similar to IP captioning. You simply put in the settings that are required, and as soon as you start real time, your captions will simply work. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you'll add YouTube captioning to the services that you offer for your clients. As a reminder, Advantage Software offers anytime support 24/7. Tech support can be reached anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed it or found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.